Ito, hindi ko ito nakikita. Roy, mataas na kahoy. Hindi kita makita-kita. Kudir, Pate Garcia. Sige, Edel, ka dito. Edel, Ibaan. Yan. Si Rene Saliba, Garcia. Peter San Juan. Sarisa, I called already. Celso is there. Zaldi Iseli of San Pedro South. Beth of Los Baños Mapili. Beth, there you are. And of course, our visionary president from the Rotary Club of Paco, Mon. My governors from the district, past and future. Okay? We usually get our marching orders when we hear our new vision, a new theme for the year. And when President John Kenny told us the future of Rotary is in your hands, and when we received it right away, then we already just said the future of Rotary is in our hands. Kinagap na natin no? Di ba? Now I think that we are all one in saying that the future of Rotary is in our hands is a call for a vision. That is why we called all of you visionary presidents. Yan ay napagkasundoan namin mga district governors in, where were we? Taipei, I think, na visionary presidents ang itawag sa lahat. Future of Rotary is in your hands, you must have a vision. So that is the only thing that I'm asking all my visionary presidents. You have all the beautiful projects, the 57 clubs I have visited, have given me nice stories of projects, small and big, simple and complicated, immediate and far-reaching, all kinds of projects, beautiful, very creative. And I know you will pitch that during your year. But more is being asked of a visionary president. If there is any legacy that you will leave your club in order to live up to your name, it is something that you will start this year to be continued next year. It could be an idea, it could be a concept paper, it could be a proposal so that there will be funding in a project. But start it this year for your president-elect. Yung president-elect ninyo, anong sabi ko sa inyo? HHWW. Holding hands kayo while walking. Talagang magkahawa kamay kayo from this year to next. So yun lang ang ating message, and which I had already echoed in my governor's visit this afternoon. Ang Metro Lipa ay napakasimpleng mga lalaki, pero malalim. Sila ay simple lang daw, and they're very choosy when they choose their new members. So yung dalawa tonight, you are very lucky because you are well chosen by the club. And their problem, they say, is not the usual recruitment. No, their problem is recruitment but not really retention. So I asked them, anong secret ninyo ng retention? Secret daw yun. Hindi sasabihin sa akin. O, sige. So anyway, but that is also what they felt. As I had heard from many of the clubs here, kahit magaganda na yung projects, parang kasunod yung aray, nagbuhat sa bulsa, ay naririnig ko na yung mga aray. So it should not be the case. If you had prepared this year, and then it will continue next year. This year, pwede nyo magluto ng isang bagong putahe that your club will continue. Yun? Yun lang ang gusto kong sabihin sa aking mga visionary presidents. We should live up to that name. We should all have a vision for the future of Rotary is in our hands. Okay? VIP? VIP. Thank you.
The Rotary Club of Metro Lipa City presents this plaque of appreciation to District Governor Chit Lihauco, District Governor RI District 3820, Rotary year 2009-2010, in grateful recognition and sincere appreciation of her significant visit to the club on August 18, 2009, in observance of the annual Governor's visit, and more significantly, as the club's guest of honor and speaker during its 14th induction ceremonies. Presented this 18th day of August 2009 at Blue Sapphire, Barangay Sico, Lipa City. Signed, President Ronnie Carandang and Secretary Angki Valderrama.
Dumonya may pride si Eric. Paano ba ito? Hindi pa rin hindi pa rin kasalanan to kasi.
Is a city councilor from Manila. And the brother Gilbert is a very famous GSE team member and past president. Future governor.
Thank you very much. And now in closing remarks.
Good evening. And at this point, on behalf of the Rotary Club of Metro Lipa, I would like to express my sincere thanks and gratitude to all the visiting Rotarians, guests and visitors attended this very important event and actually accepted our formal and verbal invitation. Thank you for the time out to attend to this very important occasion, the 14th induction ceremonies of our beloved club, the Rotary Club of Metro Lipa. To all the past district governors who shares their precious time, that expensive time, and to all of our Rotary Metro Lipa spouse who have had their very good number, fantastic number. It's really very good. And to the management and staff of this Blue Sapphire, the Past President Nico, for providing this place for this very important occasion. Once again, thank you all so very much and good evening.
14th induction ceremonies, Rotary Club of Metro Lipa, adjourned.